Are you a college student or university student? Are you just starting your education in college or university? There are few apps that will make your life in college and university easier. So I select top 5 apps that will help you in your life 80% of the time. I will talk about the Google app. Please listen to me so that I can tell you the features so that you can use those app easily. First is Google app. Now when we use Google app, we will select camera. Now when we select camera, there are two options. You can select your images that are in your storage, or you can select a camera to take a pic. Now there are option at the bottom of the screen is that translation text search. Now first we'll see the translation basically translate the language from one language to other easily, and it can help you translate different language that are assigned to you to convert. Are you in foreign country that you don't understand that language, it will help you. So first of all, we will see that it is a Chinese language and we don't understand. So when we click it, it will convert into English, and you can change it to any language. Like I will Arabic, okay, it will change it to Arabic. So the second is text is basically you take a photo or picture, it will convert that picture words into text. When you click it, there is the option of copy text, and you copy that text and you can send it to anyone. Now next option is search is basically a search of Google that we use to type, but it is slowly advanced that you can take a picture of something. I will take a picture like English from I wanted to search a direct labor, so I will adjust it, and Google will search the photos. Now there is an option of search text. It will search text of the direct labor, and you can see that it show me the search result of direct labor used. So you can use it for any other purpose. And homework is basically a it will take a picture of something like factory overheads, and both it will give us result of both factory overhead. देखिए, it will give us the answer of the factory overheads. ये क्या हो गया? Okay, the next is app is Office. Is the app that Microsoft Office suite, and it offers all the apps of Microsoft Office, which are Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and you can basically edit, copy paste. It gives all those features that are available on laptop. I will show you that. First you can click the arrow at the middle. It show homes, ये देखें, it show the list of all home, insert draw. You can insert the pics, and you can in home button you can choose anything, like highlight those that I have highlighted. You can change it, or you can change the font color. So it show every option that is available on the laptop of Windows Office. Then I can go back. You can save it to your mobile, or your cloud base if you are login. Now next is Word. Basically a Word is an extension of Office, but it show more of a option if you use Microsoft Office 365 of web cloud service, then it will show all those documents that are saved on your Office online, and you can easily edit those documents, or you can add your friend to simultaneously do those work. Now simple note, as the name suggests, is you take all notes from your professor lecture, or you can note down what are the bullet points. Like are you going to shopping, you can take note like shopping list. You can take bullet points for those, so you can not miss them, or you also can take time. It is also helpful to organize your thoughts. Now the last is CamScanner. It is the best app to scan your document and convert it to PDF. Now click on the camera option and you see you can take any page pic. Like I am taking the pic. You can change original, light, magic color. I will stick with original. Now you take as many as pages pic you can. Okay. As I can see, I could not see the words clearly, so I can change. It's better. Now I wanted to convert. If I wanted to take a small piece of card paper pic, you can also do that. It will automatically adjust the pic. Now I wanted to PDF those. You can select any name. You can share those files easily to anyone. The why I'm saying that you can use this app is that you can save much of the time. You can also use Office app, but you have to insert single pic by pic, and it take much more time. You can also use all other PDF words, PDF Excel, PDF PPT.